We're also tracking shares of C3.ai. This no doubt caught the attention of a lot of visitors to the Yahoo Finance homepage and site here. One of our trending tickers, C3.ai, down here on the day by about 3%. This after short seller Carisdale Capital accused the artificial intelligence company of accounting and disclosure irregularities. Now, some of the details in the letter, they address the highly conspicuous growth in unbilled receivables to levels that they say that they've never seen before in software companies. They also called out some opaque, confusing, and highly concerning disclosures and financials related to companies' related party and very large customer, Baker Hughes. And then additionally, the classification of significant revenue as subscription revenue in that actuality is services or consulting oriented revenue there. So it goes on, but that part of the letter that they sent to the auditor, Deloitte, the audit committee and the SEC documenting some of the accounting issues.
Yeah, when you get into the nuts and bolts of accounting, it's for the first time, I guess it was shocking to me how much wiggle room there is among various strategies. You know, a software company probably wants to be valued as a growth company with a higher multiple. They're going to put their expenses into certain categories that facilitate that. And I think that's at the heart of the issue here. Is it appropriate? Is it inappropriate? That's not for me to decide, but lots of companies have been doing this. Let me go back to the Wi-Fi Interactive so I can just chart what's going on here. Here's a 5-year, well, this is going to go back to the beginning of their listing, about the beginning of 2022 or end of 2021. And you can see the incredible drop and decline that we had here as companies that were heavily reliant on external funding, on capital raises, those just got those 90% valuation slashed along with the likes of Peloton. And that's the way the market has been. Now, it's come back because AI has been in the forefront, but that doesn't mean that there's going to be a huge influx of cash here. Let me show you one other look at this. This is our AI heat map over the last 2 days. AI, that ticker C3.ai down at the bottom. But here is a market cap base view. The real players are huge. They're Microsoft, Alphabet, NVIDIA, to a lesser extent, Baidu and some of the other chip companies there. But AI is just a fraction, so small you can't even see it on this heat map here.
Well, AI has also been having its blockchain type of moment. Remember when all of the mentions in 2017 into 2018 of what a company was going to do with blockchain, how they were going to integrate it into their web services, what they could do in terms of a solutions basis or a consulting basis for their clients. And every time there was a mention, you saw a stock reaction in any of those companies, whether it was ranging from Amazon all the way into IBM, even into Long Island iced tea.
Helios and Matheson, there's another one.
Right.
Can talk about that over the break. But yes, we saw that, and I think the same thing is happening here. And if your ticker happens to be AI, well, guess what? You're going to disproportionately benefit from that as well.